Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now doing 10th class maths. Pair of linear equations in two variables and this relation between coefficients and the nature of the equations. We are going to talk about the coefficients and nature of equations. So actually what is a general equation? The general equation what we have learnt is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now we are going to talk about this in two equations. So suppose you are talking about the first equation. How do you write the first equation? We will be writing a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 as first equation. And second equation, we write it as a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Where what are we getting? Where a1, b1 and a2, b2 are coefficients and c1, c2 are constant terms. This is what in general we will be getting. So the problem is dealing with the relation between the coefficients and the nature of system of equations. Now let us see what are the natures. Nature of equations. Already we have learned different types of equations. That only we are going to talk about. We have got three types of equations: consistent and independent, non-consistent or inconsistent, then consistent and dependent. These are the three equations that we have talked about. Now in this particular topic, what we are talking about, what are these coefficients? These two are coefficients and these two constant terms, and how these coefficients are related to the nature of the equations. So let us see the nature of the equations. The first one is consistent and dependent. We have got consistent, and first we are talking about independent, then we go for dependent. Independent. In consistent and independent, what are the solutions that we have discussed, children, in consistent and independent? We have talked about the solutions as unique solution. What do you mean by unique solution? It has only one solution it is having. And what is the graphical representation for it? Graphical representation. What is graphical representation here? If you draw a graph, you are getting the two lines in this way. This is one line and this is one line. They intersect at a point. This point is called as solution. This is graphical representation. Now what we are going to talk about? The relation between the coefficients. A relation between the coefficients. What is the relation that you will be getting for this type of consistent and independent equations is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. This is the relation that you are getting. That means if two system of equations are given to you, you have to find out what is a1, what is a2, What is B1? What is B2? Find a ratio of this A1 by A2, how much you are getting, B1 by B2, how much you are getting. Are you getting them as same or not? If you are not getting them as same, then we will say that the equations are consistent and independent. They have only one solution. So, if you want to take an example, let me take for this example. As an example, I'll take two equations, that is 3x plus 2y minus 80 is equal to 0 is one equation. 4x plus 3y minus 110, this is what is given in your book also, is equal to 0 is another equation, children. So in this, a1 is 3, b1 is 2, c1 is minus 80, a2 is 4, b2 is 3, c2 is minus 110. Along with the sign you have to take. What is a1 by a2? 3 by 4. You cannot simplify it itself. Is like this. What is b1 by b2? 2 by 3. Did you get them as equal? So we will be saying that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So when they are like this, we will be saying that they have the equations are consistent and independent. They have only one solution. In this way, you can identify, because without going for the graph, directly by seeing the two equations, if you want to say which type of equations they are, immediately this formula will help you to do it. So this is one part of it, children. Still two more parts are there, I will be teaching. Please write down this. Equation we have talked about is inconsistent equations. What are these inconsistent equations? In this inconsistent equations, how many solutions you will be getting? Actually, there are no solutions. You don't get any solution. No points are common. No, not even a single point is common. Then, if you write the graphical representation, the graphical representation is, you will be getting two parallel lines like this. The lines are parallel. Graphical representation, parallel lines. And then you have got the relation. What is the relation between coefficients? What is the relation between coefficients? The relation between coefficients is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is the correlation, children. When there are inconsistent equations, solutions will be no, they don't have any common points. And when you are drawing that in graph, you are getting parallel lines. And the relation is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and is not equal to c1 by c2. So as an example, let me take x plus 2y minus 30 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 66 is equal to 0. So in this case, a1 is 1, b1 is 2, c1 is minus 30 and A2 is 2, B2 is 4, C2 is minus 66. So now let us see. A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is 1 by 2. Then B1 by B2. B1 by B2, 2 by 4. That means 1 by 2. Then we go for C1 by C2. What is C1 by C2? Minus 30 by minus 66. This is 66. Minuses will get cancelled. Then 3 tens are 3 22s are 2 5s are 2 11s are. I am getting 5 by 11. So you see children, these two are same, but this is different. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. This relation, these two equations are maintaining. So these two equations, if you happen to draw the lines in the graph, you are going to get parallel lines in this way. This is about the relations between the relation between the coefficients when the equations are inconsistent equations. That means there are no solutions for it. Please note it down. This is second one. Now the third variety is consistent the third one is consistent and dependent. Consistent and dependent. These are the ones that we are going to talk about. Let me write once again. Third one, consistent and dependent. This type of equations. So for this type of equations, what are the solutions, children? Consistent and dependent means coincident lines. So the solutions are infinitely many. So uncountable solutions are there here. And then what is the graphical representation? How are you going to represent it graphically? If you have x and y axis, the line will have two lines will be the two straight lines will be one upon the other. So both the lines are like this. That means they are coincident lines. Now what is the relation between the coefficients? Relation between the coefficients. The relation between the coefficients are A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. All the three should be equal. So, as an example, we will be taking two equations. 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900 and x plus 2y is equal to 1300. So in this case, a1 is 3, b1 is 6, c1 is 3900. a2 is 1, B2 is 2, C2 is 1300. Now let us go for A1 by A2. A1 is 3 by 1. Okay. Now B1 by B2, that is 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are, so this is also 3 by 1. Now C1 by C2. C1 by C2. So C1 by C2, when you take, C1 is 3900 by C2 is 1300. So zeros will get cancelled. 13 ones are 13 threes are 3 by 1. So in all the cases you have got 3 by 1 or 3. Therefore what you can say, A1 by B1 is equal, A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So it is in this way you can say that the relation between the coefficients when the equations are consistent and dependent. These formulae are very important, children, to do the next problems. Please go through it. Now, what we have learned till now, let us take it in the form of a table so that the table will be very helpful to you, children, to have a quick recollection of what we have done. First one is, we have talked about nature of equations. So first one, what we have discussed, consistent and independent. Consistent and independent equations. How many number of solutions are there? Only one. We call it as unique solution. Only one solution. Graphical representation, you will be representing them in this way. And relation, these are called as intersecting lines. You will be getting intersecting lines. A relation between the coefficients A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So this is about the first one. Whatever I have explained earlier, everything I made it in the form of a table, children. Next one. Inconsistent. Inconsistent. For this, solutions, no solutions. There won't be any solutions for it. Graphical representation, the two lines represent the like this. These are parallel lines. You will be getting parallel lines. So what is the relation? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Now, the third one, consistent and dependent. Here, how many number of solutions are there? Infinitely many. And what is the graphical representation? You will be getting like this. The two lines. These are called as coincident lines. These are coincident lines. So what is the equation that you will be getting? Relation A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So the whole topic what I have taught you till now, that I made it in the form of a table, children. You can draw the lines and make a proper way. I have not drawn the lines, but column wise I hope you can understand nature of equations, number of solutions, graphical representation, relation of the coefficients. So this you learn it well, children. These formulae are very useful to you in solving the problems hereafter. Please note it down. Now, children, basing on what I have taught in the on the board, you have got examples here, children. One by one, let us see the examples given to you. The first one is check whether the given pair of equations represent intersecting or parallel or coincident lines, and then find the solutions if the lines are intersecting. So the question is what? They have given a pair of equations. These are the two pairs of equations they have given, and they are asking you to check whether these two are intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. How? By using the coefficient values, by using how, which one is correct, which one is wrong, basing on that which equation that you have taken earlier, in that which is suitable for it, you have to find out. So for that, first what you have to do, you take the given equations. 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 are the two equations. So a1 is 2, a2 is 3, b1 is 1, b2 is minus 2, c1 is minus 5, c2 is minus 4. A1 by A2, 2 by 3 we have got. B1 by B2 minus 1 by 2. So, what are you getting? Are they equal? They are not equal. That means what? They are intersecting lines. And if they are intersecting lines, we can say that the equation is consistent and independent. So, this we need to check by drawing the graph. So, to do the graph again, earlier what we have done? The same thing. 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 5 minus 2x minus 5 when it goes the other side plus 5 plus 2x when it goes to the other side minus 2x. So I have taken x is 1, then y is equal to 5 minus 2 into 1, 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. So I have got x value as 3, 1 and the 3. So this is 1, this is 3. Next, x is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 5 minus 2 into 2. That is 5 minus 4. That is 1, 2 comma 1. So 2 comma 1 are the equations, the values that I have written in the table. Now let us see the next equation. The next equation is 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. That means 3x minus 4 is equal to minus 2y. I brought it here. So y is 3x minus 4 by 2. That means 3 by 2x minus 4 by 2, that is 2, 3 by 2x minus 2. So I have taken x value as 4. Why did I take it as 4? So that I can cancel very easily. So 3 by 2 into 4 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. So 4 comma 4, I got it. Next I took x as 6 because 2 3s are 6 I can take. So 3 3s are 9 minus 2, 7, 6 and 7. So these values I need to substitute in the graph. So this is the graph that I have taken. So on the x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So x is 1, y is 3. X is 1, y is 3. Then the next one is, what is the other value that I have got? X is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. This point. So I have got a straight line. You can see, children. This is the straight line I have got. This is the straight line I have got for the equation 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now when I see the next one, 4 comma 4, 6 comma 7. So when I have taken here 4 and 4, 4 comma 4 and 6 comma 7. 6 is here, 7 is here. So these are the 2 points. So I have drawn a line. You can see the line like this. So this is the line that I have got. Upon it I have written equation 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now these two equations are intersecting at this point. What is this point? 2 comma 1. So that point is the solution. So I have written here is solution is 2.5. So what we have discussed by using the formula here, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. They are intersecting lines, that we have got it in the graph also. So I hope I am clear, children. So this is the graph that you will be getting. Please note it down and do it in your graph. Now example 2, children. Check whether the following pair of equations are consistent. Consistent means consistent dependent or consistent independent. Whatever it is, what we are getting, we have to observe. Equations are given to you and verify graphically also. It should be verify graphical representation, he has said. Okay. Verify graphical representation. So the solution is 3x plus 4y is equal to 2 means 3x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. 6x plus 8y is equal to 4. 6x plus 8y minus 4 is equal to 0. So a1 is 3, a2 is 6, b1 is 4, b2 is 8, c1 is minus 2. See, c2 is minus 4. So a1 by a2 is 3 by 6, 1 by 2. b1 by b2 4 by 8, 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is minus 2 by minus 4, 1 by 2. So you see, I have circled all the three are same. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So the equations are consistent and dependent. That means they are infinitely many solutions. They have infinitely many solutions. So equation you take and find out what are the ordered pairs that we will be getting. 3x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. 4y is equal to minus 2. Here when it goes right side, 2 minus 3x, or y is equal to 2 minus 3x by 4. That means 2 by 4, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4x. So x is equal to 0 I have taken. Then y is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 into 0, that is y is 1 by 2, that is 0.5. So 0 comma 0.5 is one ordered pair that I have got. Next, x is equal to 4 if I take, then y is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 into 4. These two will get cancelled, 1 by 2 minus 3. LCM 2, 1 minus 6, that is minus 5 by 2, that means minus 2.5. So 4 comma minus 2.5. See, I have written the table here. X is 0 comma y 0.5. Y is, x is 0, y is 0.5, x is 4, y is minus 2.5. Similarly, when you say the exact equation, 6x plus 8y minus 4 is equal to 0. 8y is minus 4, when it comes here plus 4, plus 6x minus 6x. So y is equal to 4 minus 6x by 8. That is 4 by 8 minus 6 by 8x. That is 1 by 2 minus 2 3s are 2 4s are 3 by 4x. So you see, here also I got minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4x. Here also 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4x. That means equations are same. So solutions are equal. That means same solutions 0 comma 0.5. X is 0, 0.5. Then 4 and minus 2.5 is here. So this is the line that I have got. Now since the other equation also same, we are getting another line also upon it. So I have kept 2 arrows here, 2 arrows here, indicating 2 lines are there. The lines are coincident, so solutions are infinitely many. This is the solution for it, children. So please go through it. This is how you are getting the sum, children. Please note it down. Do it in your graph. Now example 3. Check whether the system of equations 2x minus 3y is equal to 5 and 4x minus 6y is equal to 15 are consistent. Also verify by graphical representation. So the equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 5 means 2x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. And 4x minus 6y is equal to 15 means 4x minus 6y minus 15 is equal to 0. So a1 is 2, a2 is 4, b1 is minus 3, b2 is minus 6, C1 is minus 5, C2 is minus 15. A1 by A2, 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. B1 by B2, minus 3 by minus 6, 1 by 2 you got. C1 by C2, minus 5 by minus 15, 1 by 3. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but is not equal to C1 by C2. So the equations are inconsistent. Inconsistent so that the lines are parallel. So let us see, graphically they are asking to do. So 2x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x minus 5 is 3y. Y is equal to 2x minus 5 by 3. So I have taken x as 4. Then y is equal to 2 into 4 minus 5 by 3. 8 by 5 by 3. 3 by 3, that is 1. 4 comma 1 is the ordered pair. If x is equal to 7, 2 into 7 minus 5 by 3, that is 14 minus 5 by 3, that is nothing but 9 by 3, that is 3, 7 comma 3. So these are the ordered pairs. I have got 4, 1, x is 4, y is 1, x is 7, y is 3. Now the same thing for the second equation also. 4x minus 6y minus 15 is 0. 4x minus 15 is 6y. Y is equal to 4x minus 15 by 6. If x is equal to 0, y is minus 15 by 6. That is minus 2.5. You will be getting 0 comma minus 2.5. If x is equal to 3, then 4 into 3 minus 15 by 6. 12 minus 15 by 6 minus 3 by 6, that is minus 1 by 2 minus 0.5. So 0 comma minus 2.5, 3 comma 0 minus 0.5. So these are the ordered pairs here. So that I have represented here, you see children. In one equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. You see the points 4 comma 1 is here and 7 comma 3 is here. This is the line that I have got. Next equation 4x minus 6y is equal to 15. I have got 1 as 0 comma minus 2.5 and 3 comma this one 3 comma minus 0.5. So this is 0.5. So these two lines, see how I have got, these two lines are parallel lines. So the lines are parallel, so no solutions are there. The lines will never intersect. So of course this scale, don't forget children, it is same. X-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So this is your figure children, which if you do in your graph, you are going to get in this way. Please note it down. Now the next sums are do these sums. Check each of the given system of equations to see if it has a unique solution or infinite solutions or no solutions. Solve them graphically. So first bit 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. That means 2x 3 plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. 3x minus 1 y is equal to 7. 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So A1 we got 2, A2 we have got 3, B1 is 3, B2 is minus 1 here, no number means 1, C1 is minus 1, C2 is minus 7. A1 by A2 is 2 by 3, B1 by B2 is minus 3 by 1, C1 by C2 is minus 1 by minus 1, 1 by 7. That means in this A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So the equations are consistent and independent. They have unique solutions. So graphical method you need to do. So what is the graphical method? 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. 3y is 1 minus 2x. Y is equal to 1 minus 2x by 3. So I took x as a 2. Then 1 minus 2 into 2 by 3. 1 minus 4 by 3 minus 3 by 3, that is minus 1. So the ordered pair is 2 comma minus 1. Now I took x as 5. 1 minus 2 into 5 by 3, 1 minus 10 by 3, minus 9 by 3, that is minus 3, 5 comma minus 3. So 2 comma minus 1, 5 comma minus 3 are the ordered pairs. Here again 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 7 is y. X is equal to, I took 1, then y is 3 into 1 minus 7, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 1 comma minus 4. If x is equal to 2, 3 into 2 minus 7, 6 minus 7, that is minus 1. 2 comma minus 1. So these are the ordered pairs. So let me let me represent them here. So the first equation 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, or through 2x plus 3y. This is the equation. So what are the ordered pairs you have got? See here children, 2 comma minus 1 is this, and 5 comma minus 3 is this. I have got a straight line. Now next equation, this is here. What is the equation that you have got? 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, this equation I have not written. 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the equation, children, that I have got. So for this also, what are the ordered pairs? 1 comma minus 4. 1 comma minus 4. This one. And the second one 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1. So this is a straight line that I have got. These two are intersecting at one point. Solution is 2 comma minus 1. So they have unique solution that you have proved by using the graphical method. The question is what here? Solve them graphically they are asking. So we have solved it graphically. So please go through it. This is the one which you will be getting in your graph. Please do it in the graph to note whether it is you are going to get it or not. You will be definitely get it if you do it properly. Do this second bit, children. The equations are x plus 2y is 6, 2x plus 4y is 12. That means x plus 2y is 6 means x plus 2y minus 6 is 0. 2x plus 4y is 12 means 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. A1 is 1, A2 is 2, B1 is 2, B2 is 4, and C1 is minus 6, C2 is minus 12. So A1 by A2 is 1 by 2, B1 by B2 is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2, C1 by C2 is minus 6 by minus 12, that is also 1 by 2. All the three are having same values. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So when all these are equal, what you will be saying? You will say that the equations are consistent and dependent. The solutions are infinitely many. So let us see the graphical method here. X minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. 2y is 6 minus x. Minus 6 becomes plus x becomes minus x. Y is equal to 6 minus x by 2. So if I take x as 0, y is 6 minus 0 by 2. 6 by 2, that is 3. So 0 comma 3 is the ordered pair we will be getting. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6 minus 2 by 2, 4 by 2, that is 2 comma 2. So 0 comma 3 and 2 comma 2 are the solutions you have got for this equation. Now let us see the next equation. 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. 4y is equal to 12 minus 2x. Y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 4. When you take x as 0, y is equal to 12 minus 2 into 0 by 4. 12 by 4, that is 3, 0 comma 3. X is equal to 2 if I take y is equal to 12 minus 2 into 2 by 4, 12 minus 4 by 4, 8 by 4, that is 2, 2 comma 2. So see, same values you have got. So on the graph 0 comma 3, 2 comma 2. So this is the equation with line which represents both the equations. So solutions are infinitely many. Each and every point here is a solution. Scale on x-axis same 1 centimeter 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So this is your second bit of do this sum, children. Now third bit, equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. It represents 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. 6x plus 4y is equal to 18. 6x plus 4y minus 18 is equal to 0. A1 is 3, A2 is 6, B1 is 2, B2 is 4, C1 is minus 6, C2 is minus 1, 18. So A1 by A2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2. B1 by B2, 2 by 4, 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is minus 6 by minus 18. Minuses will get cancelled 1 by 3. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. So the equations are inconsistent. The lines are parallel. This is what conclusion we have got with the calculation of these coefficients. Now graphical method. 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0 means 2y is equal to 6 when it goes here, plus 6 plus 3x minus 3x. Y is equal to 6 minus 3x by 2. I took x as 0. Y is 6 minus 3 into 0 by 2. 6 by 2, that is 0 comma 3. X is equal to 2 if I take. Y is equal to 6 minus 3 into 2 by 2. 6 minus 6, 0 by 2. 2 comma 0. So 0 comma 3, 2 comma 0 are the values. I have got it here. Now here 6x plus 4y minus 18 is equal to 0. 4y is 18 minus 6x. Y is 18 minus 6x by 4. So if x is 1, y is 18 minus 6 into 1 by 4. 18 minus 6 by 4. 12 by 4, that is 3. 1 comma 3. If x is 3, then 18 minus 6 into 3 by 4. 18 minus 18 by 4. 0 by 4, that is 4. 3 comma 0. So 1 comma 3, 3 comma 0. So the equations when I write here. So the first one is 0 comma 3, 2 comma 0 comma 3, 2 comma 0. So this is the line that I have got. This line is 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. And the second one is 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 0. This is the line that I have got. This line is 6x plus 4y minus 18 is equal to 0. So you can see the two lines are parallel. So the two lines are parallel means they are inconsistent lines. So please go through it here, children. Scale I have not written. Please write same scale and solution. So I hope I am clear, children. So if you do in the graph, you will be getting in this way.